We are bombarded with images, glossy magazines, social media feeds, all showcasing perfect bodies. Celebrities with their toned physiques and glowing skin seem to hold the secret. It's no wonder that we, the mortals, get sucked into the allure of celebrity diets. We crave that magic formula, that quick fix that promises to transform us into our best selves. But let's pause for a moment. Are they truly the fountain of youth? Or are they just another fad, destined to fade as quickly as they appeared? Celebrity diets, while tempting, often come with a hefty price tag. They can be restrictive, unsustainable, and even downright unhealthy. The key to achieving sustainable health and wellness lies in understanding our own bodies. The Master Cleanse, also known as the lemonade diet, has long been a favorite among celebrities looking for rapid weight loss. This liquid-only cleanse involves consuming a concoction of lemon juice, maple syrup, cayenne pepper, and water for several days. Proponents claim it detoxifies the body and sheds pounds quickly. However, this extreme approach to dieting raises serious red flags. The initial weight loss experienced on this diet is primarily water weight, which is quickly regained upon resuming normal eating. The Master Cleanse, like many quick-fix diets, is not a sustainable or healthy approach to weight management. The ketogenic diet, with its focus on high-fat, low-carbohydrate intake, has taken the wellness world by storm. Celebrities tout its effectiveness for weight loss, increased energy levels, and even improved mental clarity. But is the keto diet all it's cracked up to be? The keto diet works by forcing the body into a state of ketosis, where it starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. While this can lead to weight loss, the long-term effects of such a drastic dietary shift are still being studied. Cutting out entire food groups like fruits and whole grains can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. While the keto diet may offer some benefits for certain individuals, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making such a significant dietary change. Section 4. Plant-based powerhouses. A-listers going green. From Beyoncé to Joaquin Phoenix, a growing number of celebrities are embracing plant-based diets. Whether driven by ethical concerns, environmental awareness, or health benefits, the plant-based movement is gaining momentum. Plant-based diets, rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, offer a plethora of health benefits. They are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, and packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Studies have linked plant-based diets to a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Consulting with a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance and help you thrive on a plant-based lifestyle. Section 5. Beyond the glitz. Finding what works for you. The world of celebrity diets can be a confusing and overwhelming place. With so many conflicting claims and ever-changing trends, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters: our own individual health and well-being. Instead of chasing after the latest celebrity fad diet, let's focus on cultivating a sustainable and healthy relationship with food. This means listening to our bodies, understanding our individual needs, and making gradual, sustainable changes that we can maintain over the long term. Ditch the restrictive diets and the guilt associated with food. Embrace the joy of nourishing your body with wholesome, unprocessed foods. Remember, true health is not about deprivation or punishment. Section 6. Real nutrition, real results. In a world obsessed with quick fixes and instant gratification, it's easy to fall prey to the allure of celebrity diets. But let's not be swayed by the glitz and glamour. Sustainable health is not about extreme measures or drastic transformations. It's about making gradual, manageable changes to our lifestyle that we can maintain over the long haul. It's about nourishing our bodies with wholesome, unprocessed foods, engaging in regular physical activity that we enjoy, and prioritizing our mental and emotional well-being. True health is not about fitting into a certain dress size or achieving a number on the scale. Reflect on your own individual needs, consult with a qualified healthcare professional, and make informed choices that support your long-term health and happiness. Remember, real nutrition is not about deprivation, it's about nourishing your body and soul.